Welcome to Relaxholic TV and to your daily dose of sunshine and clouds, where weather meets mood. Ever noticed how a cloudy day can make you feel gloomy, or how a sunny day can uplift your spirits? It's not your imagination, it's science. Studies show that weather does influence our mood. When it's sunny, our brain releases a hormone called serotonin that boosts our mood and helps us feel calm and focused. On darker days, lower light levels cause the brain to produce more melatonin, which makes us sleepy and less energetic. But don't let the weather control your mood. Here's the good news. You can create your own sunshine. Start your day with some upbeat music that makes you feel good. Practice mindfulness and stay in the present. And remember, the weather outside does not define the climate inside you. So next time the skies are gray, smile, because you've got the power to create your own sunshine. After all, there's no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. Stay motivated and remember, every cloud has a silver lining. Moving on to the practical side of things, let's talk about how you can harness the power of weather to enhance your mood. When it's sunny, take advantage of the light, go outside, soak up the sun, and let your body produce that mood-boosting serotonin. On rainy days, make it cozy, light some scented candles, play some calming music, and let the sound of the rain relax you. Embrace the beauty of each season. In winter, indulge in warm drinks and cozy blankets. In summer, enjoy the long days and warm nights. Remember, the key is in your perspective. See the beauty in every weather and let it inspire you. Now, let's bring some sunshine to others. Share your own weather-inspired mood booster tips in the comments section below. You never know who you might inspire. Also remember to hit the subscribe and like button for more content like this. And remember, you have the power to create your own sunshine no matter the weather.